Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here's another video of me just sharing my life experiences with you and sharing some lessons that I have learned along the way. So today I'm going to talk about how it is to live like an average person in this world that fantasizes and that glorifies being very extraordinary and being out of the box. So शुरू से स्टार्ट करते हैं. Growing up, I have always been an average kid, a shy introvert kid, but I was into dancing and all. Like, I used to go to dance classes and school. Maybe I used to participate in cultural functions. But in studies, I was always an average student. Dance, maybe I was not very out of the box. I just liked dancing. Right now, also, I'm not very professional, but I can dance well. And in studies, I don't even remember my marks. And growing up, I became terrible at maths and science, which I didn't like at all. I failed in class 9th. I that was very embarrassing, but yeah, fine, because I never failed. And but I realized, at least I realized, that this is something that I am never going to do in my life. And that is how, I always believed that I do not have something extraordinary in me. And how will I make it up? How will I fit in this society where nobody praises you if you are not extraordinary? But I realized over the time, after school, final school, and then into college. When I went into college, I realized that okay, I am creative. I like reading. I didn't have books. I started buying books in college, by the way. I started saving some money and then started buying, and after I started earning, I too invested a lot in books. So I knew that I like reading. I knew that I like writing and reading poems. But over the time, I realized that I really like making videos, and because I used to get really inspired with people online. And I thought that okay, I could also do this, and I have tried. And trust me, before this channel, I have made 4 channels and made videos and deleted them and whatnot. So over the time, I realized that okay, I have found something finally that I like, and I could do it. And there are a lot of things that I'm still discovering about myself, and I think okay, I could do this and I will do this. I can try this as well, I can try this as well. Like, I realized that life is all about trying and trying. It's all trial and error. What is happening? Yeah, so I'm not even good at communication. Like, I fumble a lot. It feels terrible at sometimes, but you will overcome it and you will find your way. You just need to keep trying. People say that I do not have something extraordinary in me. I do not have a talent. I can't sing, dance, act, model, or I can't create videos. I can't write, read, or I'm not good at anything. But I don't believe it is true. You just need to try and you will find something, and it doesn't need to be something extraordinary according to what people say it is extraordinary, right? Everyone has their own definitions of what's extraordinary for them. You can find that thing in yourself. It's just about going out of the way, going out of your comfort zone, trying things, meeting new people, trying new experiences. And that is how you're going to figure out at some point of time in your life. And do not rush yourself into trying ki okay, I need to figure out. But you take your time, but also do not sit idle, but take your time. Do it slowly, but find it. And I feel that you need to always prioritize yourself. And the problem is that we think we become our own biggest enemies. We think that okay, I can't do this, I can't do this. If you can't do this, then do that. Like, try something else. So I think it's it's not a crime to be average. You can be average. It's okay to do just a 9 to 5 job. It's okay to not have your own home at 20 or not have your own car at 25. Like, those are just unrealistic milestones set by people these days. Like, I'm not saying that you can't do it, you can definitely do it, but do not pressurize yourself based on what the internet has set what do we say, benchmark. Like, you make your own benchmark. What is success for you? What is extraordinary for you? What is different for you? Like, find that out and work on that. It's as simple as that. So I believe that it's okay to be normal. It's okay to be very average. It's okay. You can just, if you think it is making you happy, anything, then try that. No need to go like, oh, I don't have that talent. Yeah, it it will just exhaust you. Just thinking about other people will make you drained, and it will leave you so tired, and that you won't be able to do what you are supposed to do actually. Because I think we all have our own journeys, and we all have our own paths to figure out, and we can do that. So that is what I wanted to share, that even now I want to do workshops. I want to attend dancing classes, because I think I can improve it. I like singing, so I think I can't sing well. I am a very, very bad singer, but I would like to learn it at some point of my life, because I think who cares if I can't sing like Shreya Ghoshal or even Neha Kakkar. If I can't sing like them, who cares? I can sing for myself, and if I can learn, I will learn. I think it's all about skills. I have seen very average singers become great singers. I have seen people who fail in math top their classes. I have seen terrible and very bad non-dancers become great dancers. All about practice. It's all about learning. It's all about upskilling. You can do it. Of course, it is not going to happen overnight, but you can definitely take your time and learn everything, and you can top that thing. So yeah, I would like to say, do not make yourself feel small because you don't have that extraordinary thing in yourself. You are special in your own way, and just give yourself that credit that you are doing good. Tap yourself like, I am doing good. Yeah, so that was the TEDx motivational pep talk for today. I wanted to share this, and I hope it helps someone. I hope you find that little spark in yourself and do great in your life. Thank you so much. Bye.